The most ridiculous dating preference you've heard of. 1. My friend claims to only want to date Japanese girls, despite not living in Japan or any community with a Japanese population. Furthermore, he has never even met a Japanese girl. His opinion is based solely on watching anime. 2. Dude wanted a Japanese woman who spoke Spanish and cooked Mexican food. 3. A woman I knew mentioned she was looking for a man who made at least $500,000 a year, and was also an artist type and not a workaholic. I was like, I think those items are in conflict. 4. Only dating people with a specific astrological sign or birth date. 5. A buddy of mine said he only wanted to date Korean girls. One of our mutual friends at college tried to set him up with her roommate, who was an exchange student from Korea. The next day she asked him if they were going to see each other again and he said no, she didn't fit his standards. Turns out the only Korean women he wanted were K-pop idols. 6. Met a woman who confessed her hobby, restoring old cars, repulsed most men because it's not a feminine activity. I thought it was attractive as hell, and we had lengthy conversations where I did some research.